On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype, we make it take flight.
Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, what one, a blessed and wonderful Friday morning to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now, my peeps, I don't know how we do it over on this side each and every morning. We have to give thanks and praise to the Most High Creator for the preservation of life, because life is indeed the greatest. So in the morning, my peeps, I have a few stories to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public and also members of the diaspora. So please like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog so you can get a full understanding and a better appreciation of everything we are going in Jamaica. So watch this now, my peeps, to the name Friday, the day when Mr. Smile smile pan some of the ones and ones them pocket. So whilst you're out there traversing these streets, safe travel, pan the gravel, and continuously look out on the corner yeah, cause what the old dirty corner boy them always out there lurks. Yeah, man. And before we get into this morning's set of stories, you know, say one of my avid listeners, them send me a little email what day and I say, boy, on the spot, you know, say we need to listen to you more time. Because more time we hear yourself look out our corner here, you know, when time we get the little piece of stipend from Mr. Smile there, you know. Because the corner boy them always lurks. The man that make me know say boy, what day ya? If then look out in corner here, I never know say a corner boy that they lurks for take him little piece of cheese from him. The man say I saying get a little paycheck there. And I go and traverse the streets. He's a little dirty corner boy pounce up on him bilious and take everything out of him pocket, leaving him broke. Yeah, man. So him definitely right me and I say, boy, me have to go be more vigilant in the streets and start take what you say more serious. Yeah, man. So anyway, make we get right on into this story. Well, this story I know, I gotta start it off with a video. A 9 years old video. So I want to know if you watch the video, then of course we're going to get into the meat of the matter. Listen.
It's the real prison life. This is how we live in our prison. You see me? Yeah, the great Bubinlie, alongside Chop, the great GvNz Chops, Tati. Come back around Farin. I don't know Farin name still, but mine not. And see the God himself. Oh, they say Jesus dead, but him still alive. A different thing, you see me? So you don't know, this is how we living in prison. Real gangster life, the real mobile, real Granville gangster them that, you see me? Green Pan, Flanker, Spartan, Chop. You don't know where Chop come from a mobile, but you don't know. Alright, see great the Indian now. But Indian want to stand up in a light because see him good, so you still have video him, so I move like a Taliban. I black up him face. Bumbleclad, the original amazing grace. Bumbleclad. What the man, The real man, yeah. Away this man, you see me? Real prison life, man. See one section I know. So we are catch a section, you see me? Yeah. Catch some more style and don't know. Alright. You see try in a prison over there. We just paste up some girl on the wall. We go and look for you see me? So when you go out the road, you know, see a same way girl them are got nothing in our catalog. You see me? So going down and bomb and all, can't pass the reason lunar. Real money murder. Gangster, American gangster this. Yeah, for real and thing, you see me? See the great slicer, yeah? Yes. Yeah man, you see me, the great slicer. Bumbleclad, see the big man himself, man. This the real boss. Big man, boss himself. Yeah, Western Kingston, that's this. Yeah, no joke about it. You see me, the real big man himself and the one Mac 10. Yeah. Yeah, man, this is a Boxton cartel. You see, we have to go back on the real big man again, Box himself. The man is the real blood clot big man, you see me? So you don't know how we are do it and how we are live in a prison, you see me? If we just go and live and go and fight it still, so you don't know. We not give up. We have to stay strong. See me, alright? Coming down to some more gangster. Yeah, the real shot foot. This is the gully youth. From Bobby, the gully gangster. You see me? Yeah. See the one flasher. Yeah, him same one. You know, shot a Moby and come from still. And the little Indian or Russia killer flash. See the little Indian him hide from it still, but he still get a small part of him. God again, yeah. Oh, them say God dead. Bumbo clad. God come everywhere them there. Lie them a tell from God. God can't dead. See me? Gully man again. One more gully God again. Yeah, for real man. You see me? See? It's our original baked bean and turkey neck we are cook. Jamaican oxtail we call it. Properly known as turkey neck. Yeah. See it, yeah? Yeah, man. All about the prison, man. Come back to the great tattoo again. Bumbo clad. World boss! Bumbo clad. See the man, yeah, man. The real world boss, this. Himself. Yeah, man. Great Mac 11. See me? Come back to the Sparta down and chop again. See the big man a pass again, have to find him. Find the big man. Find the big man. The big man a cut. But we find him again. Yeah, come back again to the great Mr. Koa. Yeah? Sparta length, yeah, you pass 3 minutes in, so I hit this now, we all cut it. Yes.
So there you have it, my peeps, how they're living Jamaican prison lifestyles. Yeah, man. But me know the regular ones and ones them I wonder why I show that video there, because it's a pretty old video, probably over 10 years old, thereabout. Now we are going to talk about a man in that particular video. This man specifically, presently on your screen. Now on Wednesday, I covered a vlog where I spoke briefly about a sting operation that took place in St. Elizabeth, where police and criminal elements traded bullets, leaving one of the criminals no longer among the land of the living, as dirt settings was the order of the day for him. And it is said that 4 others escaped the long arm of the law. Now, let me give you a brief rundown on what took place on that day. It actually happened on Tuesday. Now, what going on, you know, is that criminal elements were basically selling firearms online using a social media platform for ply them goods for sale, which is illegal weapons. Now, whether it is really weapons that they were selling or they just use that as a front to lure unsuspecting criminal elements like themselves to come buy, distract them from them and rob them and then dash them away, well, that is up for grabs. We don't know for sure if them did really have some strap a sell or them just do that as a front for rob people. Now, police C-Toc members got wind of what was happening and decided to carry out a sting operation. Now, that sting operation was carried out in the Montpelier area of St. Elizabeth by the C-Toc members disguised as customers to buy illegal weapons from these idiots. Now, it is said that upon the arrival of the C-Toc members, they attempted to rob the undercover officers of monies that they thought they had to buy the illegal weapons from them. You don't know, during that attempt robbery, guns come into play. So right there and then, the knockings and clappings start. Now, this man, presently on your screen, fell victim to that brazen knockings and clappings with the cops. He was left lifeless, no longer among the land of the living, spread out like a sheet. Dirt settings was the order of the day, whilst 4 others who was in his company escaped the police dragnet. It is said that they left behind a motorcycle and a Toyota Axio motor vehicle. Now, this man presently on your screen has since been identified as Umar, who is said to be the same man in the video that I posted not too long ago. Now, Umar had 2 run-ins with the law that we know about that sent him to prison. The first video, he was in prison for hold on and take. Yeah, man. Go pick the people them gal pick the cherry without it being given to him. And he spent a lengthy time behind bars for that. So watch this now, my peeps. It was when he was behind bars for hold on and take. He made that criminal network. He wasn't necessarily a nackis and clappis when he entered behind bars. But whilst he was there, he made a network and became friends with some of Mobay's most ruthless set of gangsters. Now he came out, was back in the streets. He became really good friends with another known criminal element from out of the Montego Bay space. We are talking about yours truly presently on your screen, Little Zulus. Yeah, man. They became real close friends. Now, Little Zulus and Umar was caught in a Toyota motor vehicle some time ago, and a firearm was found in that motor vehicle, a Toyota Crown motor car to be exact. A firearm was found in the vehicle. Now it is said that that firearm actually belonged to Little Zulus, but at that point in time, Little Zulus was the known Nakis and Clappis, the known top killer, so to speak. So he had to own it as a little young Bubinlie, as I hear them call him in the video. He might just hold it. So he went back to prison and spent 4 years behind bars. And he came out not too long ago. To be specific, he came out of prison on the 16th of June 2023. So basically prison never done not much at all for him, because him come out and pick up back the same dirty lifestyle. Hence, he met his demise. Now another shocking thing, my peeps, for those who know. It is said that he was the voice behind a YouTube channel known as Mobay Roots TV. Now that channel wasn't really what other channels and like-minded vloggers like myself was about, as his channel was more on the side of criminality. He was basically promoting that type of lifestyle on that particular channel. So I guess probably that's the reason why most of the ones them never really too pay much attention to it, because given the fact that Jamaica is in a certain situation, and for you to be promoting criminal lifestyle, nobody not really too into that. And it is said that he ran that channel from behind bars. Yeah, man. It is also said that he made several utterances about On The Spot News Media and other like-minded vloggers, but as always, we don't really pay attention to other YouTubers and what them about or what them do, because we are not here for the tracing match on YouTube. We are not here for the tit-for-tat type of thing with anybody. We are here wholly and solely to be a voice for the voiceless, and to speak of the ills that is being meted out to you, the regular members of Jan Public, by whether it is public officials or criminal elements. Yeah, man. That is our sole purpose. So we don't pay attention to all of the naysayers. We just allow them to go and say what they say, and we just go and do what we are do over this side or so. So I'm pretty sure, so by now, the people of Jamaica, whether you live in yard or abroad, you don't know what On The Spot News Media stand for. One Justice League, as you, the regular members of Chan Public, call it. Yeah, man. So bless up to all the like-minded vloggers out there who has been and is still doing a wonderful job in exposing the ills that are being meted out to you, the regular members of Chan Public. May God Almighty continue to strengthen you all, to include myself, whilst we continue this fight against the crime monster that is tearing down the very fiber of our beautiful island home, Jamaica. Yeah, man. We still not give up the fight because we're still in the dark tunnel, but guess what? We still a peep and a look, and we still see a glimmer of light. So we just hang on to faith and continue to fight the good fight, because one day, I'm telling you, good must conquer the evil. Yeah, man. So anyway, my peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah, man.